They're also surprised that Frick has the guts to shout out in front of the whole class that Zane and Tian are in a band. And Mr. Marks can't believe it. He's so surprised that both of them are musicians. Zane kyk moedeloos na my kant toe. Ons praat gelyk. Bosvark, sê Zane. Hardeskyf, sê ek. Almal behulder behoorlik van die lag. Is julle seker julle is in dieselfde band? Vra meneer Marks met 'n glimlag. Hy kyk op sy horlosie. Nou ja, dis tyd dat ons met die oefening begin. Julle twee is welkom om te bly, maar anders kan julle maar gaan. Vra asseblief volgende keer eers toestemming voor julle die musiekklas kom versier. So Zane and Tian look at each other and they are very disappointed and frustrated. But they talk at the same time and want to answer when asked what the name of their band is. But they give different names. And everyone laughs at them. And someone asks, are they even in the same band? But Mr. Mark says it's time for the school orchestra to start with their practice. So the two boys can either stay or go. But if they want to decorate the music class next time, they should rather ask. Dis amazing. Hy het ons op sy klas toe laat kom net om iets vir postmodernisme kwyt te raak en ons name krater te maak. Maar ek en Zane laat ons nie 2 keer nooi nie. Ons skuifel verleer deur se kant toe. Wag 'n bietjie. Nee. So it's amazing. Tian thinks that they were invited to Mr. Mark's class just to give a lesson on postmodernism and to humiliate them. But Zane and Tian don't allow Mr. Marks to even give them the invitation twice. So they start moving to the door, but before they get to the door, Mr. Marks says, wait a minute. And obviously Tian is very frustrated. Meneer Marks vir ons en grawe op sy deurmekaar lesenaar rond. Ek het inligtingstukke gekry oor Remoer, 'n rockkompetisie vir skoolbands. Dit moet hier iewers wees. Ek wil graag hê ons skool moet 'n band inskryf. Hoe lyk dit? Stel julle twee belang. So, as he asks him to wait, he's busy searching for something on his desk, and he finds it and he says he has an information piece about a rock competition for school bands called Remoer. And he asks if they would like to sign up for this rock competition.